Hi! In today's video, we are going to be learning how to crochet this roughly bucket hat. Now, let us get into it real quick. These are all of the things we're going to use. You need 2 balls of yarn, like 2 different colors. You're going to need a tapestry needle or yarn needle. You're going to be using a crochet hook. I'm using 4.5 mm, but you can use any size that works for the yarn you have. We'll also use scissors and a tape measure. We're starting with the main color of the hat. So this is the color that your hat will be, like the main art, the body of the art. Now you're going to do a magic circle. Just wrap the yarn around your finger like this. Put your hook inside the magic circle and pull up a loop. You're going to chain 2, 1, 2. This chain 2 serves as the first double crochet. We are going to work 11 extra double crochets in this circle to make sure we have 12 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This chain 2 here is the beginning. Pull on this tail to close up the circle. Now you're going to insert your hook into that chain 2 that we did at the beginning of the round and do a slip stitch. This is to join to close up the round. And now we begin round 2. Start by chaining 3, then work a double crochet in that same stitch here like this. And for round 2, we are going to be working 2 double crochets in each double crochet from round 1. Meaning that by the time we finish round 2, we should have 24 double crochets. Keep doing that and I'll see you when I get to the end of round 2. I'm at the end of round 2. I have 24 double crochets. I'm going to insert my hook into the top of the chain 3 that I did at the beginning of round 2, and I work a slip stitch to close the round. Let's go to round 3. Begin with the chain 3. Work 1 double crochet in the same stitch, so you have 2 double crochets there total. Like the chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, with this one is a second. Now work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In the next double crochet here, we work 2 double crochets. And in the next double crochet, we work 1 double crochet. So for round 3, we're working 2 double crochets in a stitch, then go to the next stitch and work 1 double crochet. 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next. Keep doing this all around and I'll see you when I get to the end. You should have 36 double crochets at the end of round 3. I just concluded my round 3 and I'm going to join to the first stitch of the round by working a slip stitch. I insert my hook there and work a slip stitch. Now to do round 4, chain 3, double crochet in that same stitch. So we have 2 double crochets here now. Work 1 double crochet in the next stitch and work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So for round 4, we're doing 2 double crochets in one stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Like this, 2 double crochets in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2. 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2. So keep going with that. And I'll see you at the end where we should have 48 stitches. 48 stitches. I've gotten to the end of my round 4 and I'm going to put my hook in the first DC and work a slip stitch to join the round. To begin round 5, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then work 2 more double crochets in this same stitch. 2. Now for the second double crochet, we are not going to complete it because we're about to change colors. This is when we'll bring in the second color. To bring in the second color, just do a slip knot and finish up this last double crochet with the new color like this. Now skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the next stitch work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitches and in the next stitch work 3 double crochets again. 1, 2. And when we start this third double crochet, we are actually going to complete it with the main color because we're switching colors again. Now that we've switched back to our main color, skip 2 stitches and work 3 double crochets in the next. 1, 2. Right, for this third double crochet, we are going to switch the color back to the second color. So we finish with the second color. Now we're going to work 3 double crochets with our new color. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the next we work 3 double crochets. Skip 2 stitches and work 3 double crochets in the next. For this third double crochet, we switch back to the main color. So we finished the third double crochet with the main color. All right, so this is what we want in this row. 2 sets of 3 double crochets in your second color, 1 set of 3 double crochet in the main color. This is the main color. I skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the next stitch I work 3 double crochets. We're doing just 1 set of 3 double crochets, so I switch to the second color now. All right, and with this second color, I'm going to do 2 sets of 3 double crochets. Continue doing that till you get to the end, and I'll see you when I get to the end. You can rewind to see how I'm doing it. Skip 2 stitches and work 3 double crochets. Round 5 completed. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sets of 3 double crochets in my second color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 sets of 3 double crochets in my main color. Now we're going to begin round 6. Start with your chain 3 and then work 2 more double crochets in that same space. 1, 2. Before finishing this double crochet, we're going to change color. We're going to use the second color, which is my blue, and work 3 double crochets in the space. We are working in the space between the 3 double crochets. So this space immediately after this 3 double crochet, that's where we're working. 3 double crochets done. I'm working in this space. That's the only place I'm going to be working. The space after the 3 double crochets. So here I'm going to do 3 double crochets again. And then here, so after the 3 double crochets, the space there, that's where we're working. We do 3 double crochets. For this row, we're mainly using this second color all through. So in this space here, we're doing 3 double crochets again. We're going to finish the rest of this round with the second color. So work 3 double crochets all through this round with this second color, and I'll see you when I get to the end. Just finished my round 6. You can see I'm going to switch colors now to finish with my main color, and then I slip stitch to join the round. At the end of round 6, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 sets of 3 double crochets in your second color and just 1 set of 3 double crochets in the main color. To do our row 7 now, I already did my chain 3. Now work 2 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3 double crochets complete, and now in this next space here we're going to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. This third double crochet is where we change color to blue, to the second color, and now using the second color, work 3 double crochets in the next space. Still continuing with the second color, work 3 double crochets in the next space here again. It is on this third double crochet now that we change color back to our main color, and in the next space work 3 double crochets with the main color. On the third double crochet we change color to the second color. For row 7, we want to do 2 sets of 3 double crochet in the second color and 1 set of 3 double crochet in the main color. So now I'm doing 2 sets of 3 double crochets in this second color. This is the first set done. This is the second set in the second color, so we change color to the main color. With this main color, we do just 1 set of 3 double crochets. 1 set done, so we change color to the second color. Carry on with that, and I'll see you when I get to the end of the row. 2 sets of 3 double crochets with your second color, 1 set of 3 double crochet with the main color. I just finished my round 7, and in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 sets of 3 double crochets with the second color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 sets of double crochet in the main color. To begin round 8, it is so easy. We're starting with the main color, chain 3, and work 2 more double crochets in that first space. Go to the next space here and work 3 double crochets. Go to the next space here and work 3 double crochets. And this is where we change color to the second color now. In the next space, do 3 double crochets working with the second color. We are going to change color now back to our main color, and in the next space we work 3 double crochets. In the next space, still work 3 double crochets with the main color. It is at this point we change color to our second color, and in the next space we work 3 double crochets with our second color. Then we change color back to the main color. Basically, what we are going to be doing in this round is 1 set of 3 double crochet in the second color, 2 sets of 3 double crochet with the main color. So carry on with this, and I'll see you when I get to the end of the round. Row 8 is complete now, and what you have should look like this. You can see the love shape. At this point, we are only going to continue working with our main color. We will not be switching color anymore, but we're pretty much doing the same thing, which is begin with a chain 3, work 2 more double crochets in that same space, and then just work 3 double crochets around this round with the main color. We are not switching color anymore, and just do this for round 9 and round 10 the same way, 3 double crochets around with the main color, and I'll see you when I finish my round 10. I already got my hat to the brim stage. This is the part of the hat that sits on the head, and we're going to start working the brim now. To begin, just chain 2, and in the same stitch work another double crochet. What we want to do for this brim is to work 2 double crochets in each stitch. So I have 2 now in the first stitch. Move on to the next stitch and work another 2. Basically work 2 double crochets in each stitch all across. 2 double crochets in each stitch all across. We are going to do this for 3 rounds, but I'll see you when I get to the end of my round 1. Again, we are working 2 double crochets in each stitch. See you when I get to the end. I'm done with round 1. We are going to join the round now. So put your hook into the chain 2 at the beginning of the round and work a slip stitch. We're actually going to be doing the same thing, which is 2 double crochets in each stitch all the way around. This chain 2 counts as the first double crochet, so I put another double crochet there. 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Just work 2 double crochets all the way around, and I'll see you when I get to the end, although we're doing the same exact thing for round 2 and round 3, but I'll see you when I get to the end of round 2 and we'll begin round 3 together. Round 2 is completed now. We are going to begin round 3 and we're doing the same exact thing. Just join the round with a slip stitch, then chain 2 and begin round 3 by working 2 double crochets in each stitch, which is the same thing we did in round 1 and round 2. 2 double crochets in each stitch, 2 double crochets in each stitch till you get to the end of round 3. When I get to the end of round 3, I'll see you so we can round up together because round 3 is the last round of this project. I am now working on my very last stitch of the last round. Once I am done with the last double crochet, I'm going to slip stitch with the first stitch of the round to join, chain 1 and cut off the yarn. With this, then I pull it up. With this, we have come to the end of our tutorial. You can see how lovely the hat looks. We are going to now weave in all our ends. If you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to look through my channel for other crochet project tutorials like this one. Really easy and cute. I hope you love the tutorial and I'll see you in the next one.